Here's where you can find all the duplicate files on your Samsung phone with Android 15 One UI 7.0. If you want to start searching your phone for files that you have two of the same to clear out some space, you will want to go on to the File Manager section. So you're going to look for this folder here, which is going to be found in one of these folders here, and it's going to be called My Files, this one right here. By going into here, you'll be able to see everything your phone has, whether it's images, videos, audio files, documents, and even those that you got installed. So from here now, you want to go down in this section here until you see Manage Storage, this part right there. And as you enter into the Manage Storage section, it's going to give you a preview of what every type of files has taken up space. From here now, you'll go down and you're going to look for duplicate files. And this will only appear if you actually have two of the same file in separate areas on your phone. So for example, if you might have saved some photos into a separate album, that's going to have a copy of them, then it's going to be considered as duplicate files. Same for song files, videos, images, documents. They will all appear right here. And once you go here, it's going to tell you exactly where each of them are. So for example, I took a picture of something here and that was stored into the camera section. And I also made a copy of that image into another album called Extra Shots. And you can just go down and look for those that you have duplicates of, and it'll show you each of them. So once it says 2 items or 3 items, that means you have more of that same item. So now if you want to remove that duplicate, just find the one in which section you want. So you want to keep the one in the camera, and I want to remove the one that's in the Extra Shots. I don't need this anymore. I'll select that one here now, and I'll have the option to delete it. And you're gonna go ahead and select the files that you don't want. And once you press delete, they will be cleared out. It's gonna tell you it's gonna be deleted. And once you do that, it's gonna be gone, all right? And that's about it. Like it's up.